If you are paying for anything with cash or debit cards, you're leaving money on the table. You should be using a credit card whenever possible, and always pay off your balance. Don't carry a balance, and don't ever pay interest. So you've probably heard of the Chase Trifecta, which is a really powerful combination of 3 cards from Chase. I highly recommend going to thepointsguy.com and reading up on all of his advice when it comes to combining points and hacking travel. He really knows what he's talking about, and that's where I've gotten a lot of my knowledge, and I've been doing this for years. I've amassed hundreds of thousands of Chase Ultimate Rewards points, which are the most powerful travel point. They're universally applicable to just about any kind of travel, whether that's a flight, a hotel, a boat, a train, a rideshare. It's all 3x rewards on this card, which is the first of the trifecta that I got. This is the Sapphire Reserve. This is a really powerful card because when you sign up, you get, currently it's about 50,000 bonus points. When I signed up, it was 100,000, which is nuts because it was worth $1,500. The card costs $450 a year, but you get a $300 travel credit. So it's really only $150 a year. I love this card. I use it all the time. It has a ton of great benefits and protections. There's no international transaction fees, and there are other really great things about it. Then there is the Freedom Unlimited. This is a really cool card because for everyday purchases where it doesn't meet travel or dining or one of the bonus categories from the Chase Freedom, plain old Freedom, this one is 1.5x on anything. So if you go to the pharmacy or the coffee shop and you don't have your other cards with you, you'll still at least get 1.5x on Freedom Unlimited, and this is a free card. And then also, on top of that, if you have a business, I highly recommend getting one of the Inc. business cards. So this is the business cash, it's the free one. There's also one called the Preferred, which has extra bonus points, like an 80,000 point sign-up bonus. But this free one gives you 5x points on certain categories, including office supplies and cell phone bill, internet bill, things that you would use for your business. So, of course, the big hack is you go to the office supply store, you go to staples.com, Office Max, Office Depot, whatever, and you buy $300 or higher, the biggest increment you can get, Visa gift cards. You're getting 5x points on those cards, and you can just spend those freely like cash, but every purchase you make on the gift card is essentially 5x because it's an office supply category on your business. And you can work out your accounting so that it goes back to personal and you don't actually count against the business expenses, but you are still getting the 5x points. This card has gotten me hundreds of thousands of points in the last couple of years that I've had it. It's like huge on the bonuses and the 5x. I maximize the 5x. And then the big tip on top of all that is when you are going to buy something on staples.com, check the Chase Rewards portal because sometimes there will be an additional 2x if you go through the portal. So you're getting 5x plus 2x. One month they even had 13x. It was nuts. They took it down after 2 weeks, but I bought so many gift cards through that when it was up. Just huge bonus points. So you're gonna end up having hundreds of thousands of bonus points, and you can travel for free. You can book hotels using your points, and it's money that you were going to spend anyway. So it makes a ton of sense. Definitely try to get the Chase Trifecta, but if you could only get one of these cards, I would get the Sapphire Reserve. Even if the sign-up bonus is just 50,000 at this point, it's a great card with a lot of protections and benefits, guarantees, ways to get refunds easily. Chase is pretty good. Amex, of course, is much better when it comes to protecting their customers from merchants. So keep a backup Amex and use that when you go somewhere shady. All right, please subscribe to my channel if you like this video, and I'll be back with more tomorrow.
Yeah.